Jabberwocky, plus Billy in his lily clothes, his flying gimbal in the wind, all men play with the barracles and the moon rats outwit. Beware the Jabberwocky scent, the dark that bites, the claws that catch. Beware the jujube bird and shot, the pinion thunder snatch. He talketh bottle sword in hand, long time the match from foe he sought. So rested he with the sunset tree, and stood a while in front. And as Incognito thought he stood, the Jabberwock with eyes of flame came whistling to his staglated, and burbled as it came. One two and two, and through and through, the vorpal did with fever snap. He left it dead, and with its head he went galumphing back. And as so slain the Jabberwock, comes from the arms my greenish boy, who produced the Kalu Kalay, he chortled in his joy. It was relief in his latitude, his giant gimbal in the wind, all means they were the borrowbooks, and the moon route at me.